Hey guys, make sure you stay tuned and we're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Very quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the heated seats, fuses and relays are located on Chevy Equinox, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us guys, we'll talk about that. Also we'll talk about hidden fuse boxes, information that can potentially guys save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And by the way, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. The heated seats guys, fuses, relays come, we'll show you where you can expect to find them. We will demonstrate on that generation Chevy Equinox. And to save even more money guys, quick advice from us, 9 out of 10 owners will not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Chevy Equinox. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Equinox Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, it's a video that can save you a lot of money guys. We need to go ahead and open the hood, and facing the engine now, on the right side of it guys, here that's the brake fluid reservoir. Right on the right side of it you have the main engine fuse box. You have one tab here that has 2 clips. You push them towards each other, one on this side, lift that cover up, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. For the heated seats we need to check one fuse, then we're going to talk about about the relay that we need to check as well. Make sure to stay until the end. You see guys these 4 fuses right here. Now fuse numbers go like that, 48, 49, and then you have 51, 52. That fuse number 51, that's the 25 amp fuse. This is your heated seats fuse that you need to check. What about the relay? This fuse is known as a relay fuse. Practically you don't have heated seats relay, but we will recommend to check your power seats fuses and relays and the BCM body control module fuses relays, because they control, these systems control the heated seats as well. So if you still have problems with them, check fuses for power seats and fuses for BCM on your Chevy Equinox. We'll have the video on the channel if you need help with it. Guys, now one very quick advice from us. If you open guys interior fuse box, we want to show you, you have 2 kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, J-case fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you're stuck, always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share guys the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well guys. So thank you for watching, hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.